Wodimaya replies okatakyie abusua, and you won't believe. And sema and the etchen wa Ghana ye say Asantefuo ne che say Wodimaya edi won atam. You won't believe in some fofra. Wodimaya me betina ha defending no. What the aba betu da. You won't believe it. And I am not doing this video because of Kophobia wo mo study wo ni bibia ye wo TikTok na life hunu ne nsem wo mo keka fam hu wo mo life so nsem hunu ne nkwasasem. They don't have any content to be able to do, you understand? So sometimes they feel like, attacking their own is the only way to go, or making sure say may escalate the issues. To say the omo kwama asante na eja wo manya content bi atwa ye te hayi nya hensem kwan ne ye ka bia wa ha bia che bi edim ye politics. And also when it comes to training issues e Ghana ye kofaba what they asem na say. So we don't depend on only a hensem to create content for people, because people that watch us or more appreciate or more do there are a lot of cognitive reasons be bring no more here. Into response here now a video ya me on recent a year in summer with me diabetes and more life I'm your family here. But to trim. Yeah, I don't give a damn about what people say about me. I only give a damn to things. Me who said there be a photo when see me. Say man fa anto me koto dwuma emwa enyansa sem ne futu sem de I really give a damn, but the one nim the ordinary life here now also camera you hear and say obeka set here man for we see TikTok live now so ni we need bibia we need time or one so obeka so trouble am ya be di kutum for atem and you see one thing ya na yes sad and say ko yes ade we nyina bi no mu ne edi o matem a ye wo kutum for 14 baby no na obi a na busua mobra atwe camera because of sanko for we live city no wotimi abeka nsem emu du a say we angurani we enfantini we free western region baby afri bia wote a yem timi show say kutum for pa na obi di na tem say na so na sanko for we na akoto gansem no enyo munti na me this video various WhatsApp groups or market or come me I don't give a damn about what you say. I get forwarded audios all the time. Some people pretend so modome omo me die mu de bia but they are the same people women so discussing negatively about me in various WhatsApp groups. I don't give a damn. I'm responding to various issues. I get the same response all the time. Now me mo rem na yenhwe ensem Wodimaya edi ababetu dwa. Ensem ni mu cha 3 emu odu pa ye. The main reason why I make us Wodimaya ensem yi okatakyie na wode manwo ana okatakyie na wo to wodo no. Di edi kan di. Abrantie bi ye behind the page called Yawa with a year Wodimaya picture on okatakye's video. Say okatakyie address how peaceful the Asantes are by not attacking the Wodimaya broko piemu and we Kumasi Menchia Palace. Away on the FYP of Wodimaya. Wodimaya who said the logarithm national. Sadi ya bedaho. The one who screen issue. One of my the first response. I say na me kura ade na maye. Tio. Inti hana Wodimaya busan at the end why ye been suggest say Asantefuo ye peaceful. Yes, and come back Wodimaya for insulting them. For the sake of amount for mother subusa say asem potebe na Wodimaya kan ya Asantefuo ni buo for the better chance into that. But now let's look at the responses. Ni Wodimaya so charge want to say dia wo twabo Asantefuo. Ye hwe no answer. We are for the sake of the people are still they don't know what is going on. You better check a video that I did some time ago. Abra Wodimaya ebe kan say me for Asantefuo. You better chance into that video. Now Wodimaya be busa sa and same way you know. Wa mada si hwa ana osan etisi su bio. Ana obetwero we for tintin we etu internet. O say me Wodimaya maintain nwamanum. But today I have to. But ene e we send me Wodimaya me dwamanum tio. No Asante blogger or vlogger has showcased the rich Asante culture and beauty of Kumasi more than Wodimaya. Iti uhwe aha response na. So na akwa to say Wodimaya act say ye na mayemo. Minim dia maya Asantefuo mu buofu a omu dimatem on various WhatsApp groups, on various TikTok live streams, Facebook platforms. And you gonna mayemo. Na ebasi yen show a Asante culture to the world. Me Wodimaya. Obi enim. Because Jamaica baby abeko bi ana me bo Asantefuo idin. Enie bitimi the video backlash me nyotum fo nsem chia krampo a enie minim de me mabrabo. Like e dey na mayemo. I've done so much for the Asantes to the extent say no Asante blogger and actual Asante culture to the world more than me. Wodimaya this same way ever to Ghana. Say Asante blogger na blogger bi eni ho a wa showcase Asante sem Kumasi sem ahensem Sante hine ho sem more than him. Comparing himself to Asante bloggers and vloggers and at the same time telling the world what he has done for Asante. You see me trimwa was to compare numbers. I checked with Maya videos how our boy Asante Hini din woman and I said Asante Kingdom din woman. And they were numerous. In fact, meet me in plain now. And some of the videos they surpassed 80 million views, 5 million views, 10 million views, 2.5 million views. And some of the Asante bloggers almost more huge numbers now. They may become and in come chat with the better media team later. But me a video now of 50,000 views. But me a video now sometimes when 100 and something thousand. And when it comes to the numbers, and me find any peace with me say when it comes to the numbers there, then it's true. This guy has been doing a lot because apart from that one negative thing that he did, most of the videos are all promoting Asante. Though before Wodimaya, Asante was there, and Asante has always been Asante. And you know remember Asante edi edurechiri. But you can't say this generation Z bay. Say ye generation Obi Mba Asante with the rather numbers were really speaking for Wodimaya. In Tisana same way or the buyer, I'm found personal. So I jumped to the next response. I would the buyer. Now when I'm saying me find a problem with Wodimaya. So the next thing I Wodimaya have a kind in response to a brand TB. I want no better Wodimaya say. Who Wodimaya also nim ya way. Oko Caribbean no aka nsem hunu bi fa Asantefuo ho no. Ye be mesi e behwe de oko kan ye ne poti to those who hu ye no. Enti boy na ka che Wodimaya say wo so nim ya way. Oko Caribbeans no aka kan nsem hunu fa Asantefuo ho. Ekoto wo abakwasem wo sai no. Wo gina ho e dwa wadum ana kwan na ye big ana kwan na ye that one like that. Unim boni away. So Wodimaya came to reply the guy and he said, wow, look. Next enti we na mo se me dim atam no. Ti Wodimaya. Ti kwasese mo beka no ha. Enti we na mo se me dim atam. That is why look, I so be can some now we doing say we be chiriche bibi mama na to wosu ana am wetimi ate no ma se no wakasa bi e wugina wow, look. What was our response no? Enti we na mo se me dim atam no. That is the expression here. Enti one Wodimaya started to us no say most of them don't even know what happened. Hana nkomo get interesting me sinya botre. Bebre na wo mubuefu o mo twetwe TikTok live ni ade fa Wodimaya. Omo knew what really happened. So what really happened? They say we will chance into that video no potty. Not just a portion. A whole 4 or 5 minute video of Wodimaya. In some part of the betu done. Now me say a worse than even what Wodimaya is defended. Internet never forget. Now listen. I say most of them don't even know what happened. So Wodimaya, what happened? I say he just jump onto it. Now say one more defend Asante currently or Wodimaya sentence. He claims so the Asantefuo ni. Omu free ya no ma be jina so. One more they don't know what really goes on, what is on, and one said one more defend it. Without knowing the basis of the amount for the tag or Wodimaya, and they say with the Asantefuo. We na but the same way we draw without. Say what to say at was what say. How can you all be this damp? Na se ka se damp. Abushia enkoma emu odu edi dia temu emu odu e ka so be damp. And this is not the only insult Wodimaya at the buy. You better answer into the second one. What you say? Na mo Asantefuo ni na e ba na say na ma adwen mutum ye hasa. E ba na say na ma adwen nipa brain aye damp. And then na ma adwen no e mutum ye empty. Like mu need a processing level to even think. That is how worse the statement of Wodimaya goes. Imagine say Wodimaya is telling the people of voter register, how can you all be this damp for voting for NDC? Nigga say, Obuha tribalism into wonhu in semuna Wodimaya kasemu. Wodimaya is telling all the Asantes. You want him from Pennyfo. Nigga say, "Bisiki wu cheche mudodo." The previous video that I did on Wodimaya make a be man on no man cheche mudodo. Me se metina ha na maka no kure de bia. Ghana from penukura. What me asset one tribe esifo almost would one attempt. Me meti here me be different new. What they can bring you a first response unim ya waye. Nanka wait na Asantefuo ni cheche mu. And I said get time for yourself and find time to check the video itself. Asantefuo ne kasa odi edu matem. You didn't check. How can they be so damp when you see the word Sam Empo? Imagine the person watching me na say we go catch and say, how can your family be so damp? Let's say as we push the omunim their course, they don't think before they take actions like they are so Wodimaya. And when he went ahead to say something like this. But Maya came back again and he responded to the Asantes again. After crowd will be him say, "You're rev with herself. Now, girl, he's getting serious here. You all wish to be like Wedimaya." And Wedimaya, after stating this, said, "O person get it deep into the matters. Okasa we said, "Munyina mo person wishes to be like Wedimaya no." And odi chat ho siasem. Now siasem e kasa efri kwasiasem mu. Siasem ensem wo anyansa bi animu. And so directly translated, in kwasiasem in English means nonsense. So Wedimaya after everything is responding to the Asantes and telling them say omobu afuo ni no ma omo ye ni nyina. E nonsense. E kwasiasem bi no omo ye kra kire no. How can they all be so damp? Abuja, BNT is important with my a response and a reaction. Maybe ye fast a particular video we echi. Tewasунity. With the Maya di babe, and I say Odifo. I think he jam ye and simu for and tough one. Because Odi one more time crampo say Asantefuo. Akwana no ya. Naturally na no ya. The sikana ato ne ntemuntia. BNT ni sim hunu bi ode bae. I would defend say again why Asantefuo. Ti ni pa my year voice over on that. Titi munchichi mu ambe fa video na titi. E was no ti pa ma me biem kakra titi. Enye video ni size ni here. Name of the details titi.
Maya with Goshas.
Yeah.
This is what Jamaica does to you.
So this one,
Yeah.
when it's like this in Jamaica,
Yeah.
when it's like this, they'll tell you that leave it because it's poisonous. So allow it to open
Okay.
on the tree.
Okay.
So in Jamaica, this is what they eat.
Can I tell you something? In the Volta region, I'm trying to, I don't know if it's called Akla or something. Aki. Oh,
They were talking about this fruit and the
I
conversation.
ate this as a child. But we
Yeah,
can
into
eat it.
history. Listen.
People eat it. Like
Yeah.
I didn't know. I didn't
But
know.
you are calling it Aki. But I think among ours, you eat the white part. At least when I was growing up, sometimes when you're hungry, you just eat the white
Yeah,
part.
come on,
You
you.
leave the.
Yeah.
He was trying to say, Goshes was trying to say this is
Cashew. This is not cashew.
I thought it's cashew.
No, this is not cashew. This is like
This is Aki. And I,
Now akwabi kasa wechi. That guy no your friend Goshes. Or no see a Votarian. Oni Wedimaya and nam yi pa because also Wedimaya and a mentor. Ono na currently wodi video bi buy on Kente. Sa Asantefuo ne boasa Kente nyo omodia. Kente e Votarians ne nordness and di Kente buy. Said you maybe a comfort ya. Sa kwa no de shechi. Na even that kwa no kra no. It got to a point of catch with me as with my assume okay dear. Champion. We are sure said okay yeah no kra uditi.
think ours call it Akla.
even the northness. They said they make soup with this one.
Soup.
Yeah, the northness.
Of which say even a ha.
And I think it
Yeah,
makes
you are no northern people ni be abekase enye no kre. Say biaba we omo mpa nyem kwan bia and also e tro wo de be die.
you know, the transatlantic slavery. People think that the people that were taken to the Caribbean were mostly Ashantis. No, it was actually the Ashantis that were capturing people.
Uti, it was actually the Asantes who were capturing. They weren't capturing no. Emodu. Aseso. Omo kwa hey. Ye dia nu semfo ya ba ye beton no ma do omo. What you say?
Wedimaya air casafa then time ana slave trade wo hodo. And the watch say Asantefuo no nyembrofo no na share sade na sibia. Asantefuo no na omo chance so omo cheche Ghana for ton wo. Especially in yanom tafo no de. Na Asantefuo no ta ache omo ton omo papa. Tina make say so be ashimuni not that no heard this video ah. Obi feel say na Asantefuo no cheche ye ton e. Yenti Wedimaya. Yenti.
No do masala. Omuduru baby ana de omo so they were
Voice over.
capturing them. This is the words of Wedimaya Meti.
Capturing people from the north of Ghana. You know,
Other places
the
where
Salaga market.
Yeah.
So they catch you from the Salaga side. They walk you down all the way to Cape Coast,
To Cape Coast?
where you take your last bath.
Your last bath.
walk all the way from the north.
I tell you,
down.
are you kidding me?
You see, and so the cameraman no crowd was surprised. Say, hey, I said, man, okay. They captured them and they take their last bath in Cape Coast. What are you talking about? Wood Maya was like, hey, listen to me. I got the history here. Let me explain them. Let's listen.
That's why
You are making it up. It's not true.
Oh,
I'm
see,
not
I'm
making it up.
making
I'm not making it up.
This is
I'm not making it up.
many
If you go to the north,
Because with me and some more Kanimodu, Asantefuo no kwache Sremufuo no northerners ni free soro ho. Na o ma wako omo down southern to the southwest. Na o mo do omo ba central region. Na o mo abeton Sremufuo. So Sremufuo dodo no ene hu omo Jamaica no anasa the central part of Ghana no. Asantefuo na kwache omo begu ho. This was one of the biggest disrespect to the people of the north. Emu odukura so obi gina baabi aka Asantefuo mo. Emu odusensa. Baabi a wo free ne ka sa asem we fa wa. Now ensem ni mu odu to the sense obe get it to a point where aka say na entafuo no ho ofinti no Asantefuo ni dware won e wo kwan mu. Iti na me bisa say this issue Asantefuo no na wo se omubufu ana se Sremufuo. Because to me, what I realized is in this particular video, he's showing supremacy for the Asante, said they were superior. But that one day, I say we move mokora. They would do a matter, and this is never in the history of the people of the north. So Asantefuo and I quite sure will be garo or town. Some of the people are escalating issues and making content out of it for no reason. Apart from the recent insult or the about Woody Asantefuo tell me was a normal reply no, I apologize on that. That particular video with Maya brought some time ago, it was a total disrespect to the people of the north. Not to the Asantes. Asantefuo got so the mood to 2 years and when I'm more than money at na Sremufuo no. What yes say one no who fee. 2 no me more. Abuane ye kwache no nipa ye nche no ye mwa nipa ha nipa ye nche ne se ye chi no akodware no police ni grant mi nche emfa won track form say the would my kan sa mouse upon mouse dudu baabi a na wadware wa hese hu hwam a na ne duru baabi a wahwe ye ne ho odin no ye wontumi nso a wo so wu kwan mu nso. A whole lot of damn things about this with my video. Let's watch this.
okay.
Many of our African American brothers in the diaspora, in the Caribbean, we shouldn't think they are from the coastal areas.
No.
Salaga, up north, if we do tourism right, you will just see how they trekked, kidnapped, captured people all the way from present
So,
day.
and I remember who baby with my history ni free. This man, I believe, is the reason. Because they are trying to base their conversation on if you can follow graduate, they never went into slavery. Ebasi enchi obi nton wa ye nuanu Sremufuo na aton wo mo abesi na ibi omom go pie mo America ni nyina no. Etine said there is no history of Akans or Asantes being part of the people they were selling.
Salaga, up north, if we do tourism right, you will just see how they trekked, kidnapped, captured people all the way from present day northern Ghana, hundreds of kilometers.
Is it the north that I know? No.
Is it the north that I know?
People did not even make it along the way from the north to.
So the Asantes were wicked to the sense that omo de yenuanum Sremufuo ne ba na ebinum tafo ni bi wu wo kwan mu. Enso omo fa ho mo amonya nkwa ne ye de mo beko ye wa wunu. This was the video of Woody Maya. And it's also disrespect the people of the Fanti because in the history of the Jamaicans, no, not only the other side of their country, Asantefuo was also part of the people. They were part of the people almost suffered during the slavery. Almost suffered to the extent that Bruni Timinya Kwan castles on their lands. They didn't have their own freedom on their own land. So Asantefuo no ye can Ghana back some more brave pa because people need can't take one more concern and what to see the rest of the people our more Ghana, and you can't erase this from their history. You can't erase it from their history. One more bread. And now you say Sremufuo no kwa na even omompo no Asantefuo no e kwachichire wo. BT.
The south, like central region, right? Then they took them. That's why you had to take your last bath. What's it called?
Asantefuo River.
Yes.
That's
so
where they had to take their last bath.
Walk long miles
and all the dirt and
all the
everything.
dirt, they go and wash you. They wash you, then
I think that with Maya, he thinks that he's doing the right thing by telling the history of Ghana. But what is the most negative aspect is distorting the history of a certain group of people. Like, you have a huge followers from Jamaica, and you are telling Jamaicans that this is where they come from, of which is total lies. What they've even learned in school is not true, but what you are saying is true. Officer Asantefuo no matter.
take you to the dungeon. That's when they're like they start like checking which one is the strongest. You know, and he didn't know.
You see? So Gorgeous was even laughing at the background of the video, like, are you serious? What do you mean? Asantefuo no question tough one no ma be dware wo mo. Because no more feel. Na mo do mo ba na ebinim kura etimi wu wo kwen be say Asantefuo no mo boy betom. It was the novels that Asantes were trading. They were selling to the white people. They were selling to the Jamaican land to go and work. So when we turn my brother and our brother do go Jamaica, when they move back from tested the why week, that's what's strange. From the north to the central, the southernmost part of Ghana to the central region near Baba Betom. To me, they could do a same also in the central region or say a hope and an Asantefuo ni Gary and Tafo. The same way, how many tribes in Ghana does this particular history of Woodmire disrespect? What's it so? No home from Shobia with Maya. Mate. Media metiha se me kan kore a che Ghana for the bia tafo no person mo bo ma bakwasem ho ban a they are supposed to rise because bintimi swade nkoka nchira wonafo me dom ye pa since me si so farmer fofora ina fofo do no aya wonafo they love me very much and I really respect them for their loyalty all the time bintimi nkoka nchira wo mo na wo mo ho afin ana Asantefuo ko dware wo mo e wa Asanteme mu ansa ne akoton anwonafo na ye de omo ba ye twe omo asese mmoa nti bi mu wu okwan mu nyina anwonafo ne wu okwan mu. Can you believe this history? See a can for anwonafo me defend with the Maya you want na nko make come to. It's a total disrespect for the people of the north and it's supposed to charge, and it's also portraying how heartless the Asantes were. Also a big disrespect with the Maya, and my bomb day say me fail about 2-3 times continually. No free dream maybe nothing crowd your data off. I don't know if you intentionally switch off your data. But Ghana for munim near way I don't think anamati hey Gwene the kind of cray say sama with the Maya kai ye sebi say munu pa Jimmy sama wa kai ye what's still who say Jimmy Sam who say nkwasi asem who say did ya temwa no kreka ini wanim so timi kan sem sei e fa ye nua no bi ho si yesem hunu a eye sai Mfantefo abakwasem bra wo mabre wo yi o ma free history mu to an ya ton mo nana no mu yi wo sai wo abakwasem wo a wo hwe mi wo su hunfun so wo wodi ma ya nsem yi ho a eye e de wanim no kreka ini wanim ni ye because we jimi wo Ghana ni mu akomem sa abakwasem beyira because ahemfo no kure bi no asase ejimi wo abakwasem e kan no kra choti dia me kan ye ai biare ntafo wo kwam bi wo kwam so Asantefuo no se beton mo I wish my time is up go baby I make. So those who do not know the particular video, this is what the Maya really said. Unya kini makrao
K1 oh boy Juma we did the Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic so you see commentary news in the bar so you see commentary for on we so good keep on going
and the start also the ebema other tribe aflow unyi sorted undi atem ne that's how be can it's so painful I know shit I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and maybe I will strength free there but it's all good oh yeah there K1 modern K1 will try pa